How to exchange payment on ChinaitechPay. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to complete an exchange transaction on ChinaitechPay quickly and easily. Please visit ChinaitechPay.com to complete your transaction. 1. Log into your account or register if you are a new user. 2. Navigate to the exchange section or buy and sell funds and select your sending method. For example, Ghana Momo or any other currency you prefer to send from. 3. Choose your preferred option for receiving funds, such as PayPal, crypto, or any other method available for receiving funds. 4. Now click the Exchange button to move to the next stage. 5. Enter the amount you want to send. You can also use the calculator mode to work it out easily. Once you have entered your amount, please make sure you are happy with the exchange rate before you proceed. 6. Now click the Next button to continue to the next step, where you will enter your payment details, such as your PayPal information or other relevant details. Simply fill in your payment details. Whether you are sending funds to someone else or receiving them yourself, you can enter any valid payment details for us to use when making the payment. Seven. This is where you complete the payment. Copy the payment details exactly as they appear on this page and use them to make the payment to our account. Review the instructions on our website, then make the payment. Once you have sent the payment, return to the website and upload proof of payment as evidence of your transaction. This allows us to review the payment you sent, so our team can process it faster. Please do not upload any fake or edited payment proof. If you do, your account will be restricted. Thank you for your attention to this matter.